Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool that will help you convert normal text to handwriting. It's a free tool with artificial intelligence based human writing converter that easily converts your computer text into handwritten text. So let's take some text from somewhere. So let me take it from the side. Let me try to copy this. Yeah, so let me put this up here. So this is the handwriting. So there are various modes of handwriting you see here that is available. Let me choose one of it. Let me choose this. Now let me put a font size of 50. Yeah. Now ink is blue A4 size. Now if I want to put in, let me try to put it. Now you see, whatever I copy pasted, it has been put in this format. If I want to generate an image, I can generate an image out of it. It will look really realistic. See, just like you have taken it from the book. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.